When your TV does not turn on. If your TV does not turn on, check whether the standby LED is on. By holding your smartphone under the TV, you can easily find the standby LED. If the standby LED is not turned on, unplug the power cable and plug it back in. Disconnect and reconnect the invisible connection cable between the TV and the OC OneConnect box. Make sure that the invisible connection cable is not pinched or bent sharply. Check the standby LED again. If the LED is turned on, press the power button on your remote control to turn on your TV. If the standby LED turns off when you press the power button, your TV is correctly connected to the power supply. If the TV screen is still blank, softly tap it with your finger. If the part of the screen you tapped on blinks, your TV is correctly connected to the power supply. On the remote control, press the Home or Menu button. If the menu screen is displayed, either the external input device is not working properly, or the connection to the TV is faulty. Check the connection of the video input cable to your TV or OC box. Make sure that the external device is turned on. If it does not turn on, make sure the power cable is properly connected to the device and to the wall outlet. Check the connection of the video input cable to your TV or OC box. Make sure that the cables between your TV and the OC box or external devices are properly connected. Also, make sure that the correct source is selected on the menu screen. If the same problem continues, try connecting another external device to the TV using an HDMI cable. If the display is correct, your external device may be faulty.